Hello students, in last lecture I have discussed there are two factors that affect the viscosity. First one was the intrinsic factors and second one was the extrinsic factor. In intrinsic factors we will learn about the how molecular weight, molecular shape, molecular size and intermolecular forces affect the viscosity. Okay, let's discuss. First one is the molecular shape. It has been seen that irregular shaped molecules has found to be highly viscous in nature. And second one is molecular weight. The molecules which have higher weight will have high viscosity. Okay, and molecules with large size will also have high viscosity. And fourth one is the intermolecular interactions. If the interactions between the particles are high, then the particles will comes close to each other. They will form a large size particle. So again the same thing apply. The large size will have the high viscosity. Okay, next we will discuss about the extrinsic viscosity. Hello everyone. Last topic I have discussed the intrinsic factors that affect the viscosity. Now I am moving towards the extrinsic factor. Okay, in extrinsic factor there is three subtopic, that is how pressure affect the viscosity, how temperature affect the viscosity, and how added substances affect the viscosity. Okay, the first one is the pressure. As we increase the pressure, there will be increase in cohesive forces of interaction between the molecules. What happens when we increase the pressure? It increases the cohesive forces of interaction between the molecules. It will result in the increase in the viscosity. Okay, second one is the added substances. Substances may be of different kind. For example, if we are adding electrolytes in the solution, it will be decrease the viscosity of the solution. On adding the polymers and macromolecules, it will enhance the viscosity of the solutions. Polymers and examples and macromolecules, for example, if we add sucrose and alcohol to the solution, it will enhance the viscosity. Yes. Now third extrinsic factors that affect the viscosity of a liquid is the effect of temperature. Generally it has been seen that on increasing the temperature, the viscosity of the liquid is decreases. That is, on increasing the temperature, the viscosity of the liquid decreases. That means when the temperature is increased, the molecules of the liquid molecules, cohesive forces by which they are bind together, these cohesive forces got the energy and it will break down. Okay, got the thermal energy and it will be break down. So the molecules will spread. They will move here and there. So that result in decrease in viscosity. Okay. But in case of gases, when the temperature is increases, the viscosity is also increased. In gases, the molecules are scattered here and there. When the temperature increases, they got the energy and they move rapidly or fastly and they collide each other. And molecular collisions takes place and interactions takes place that enhance the viscosity of the gases or viscosity of the liquid. Okay, so there is a relationship between the viscosity and the temperature. This equation is most important equation in your syllabus. This topic is highlighted. This is the most important topic, and the relation between the viscosity and the temperature can be seen here. That is, eta viscosity is equal to A e to the power EV by RT. Okay, EV is the activation energy. To activation energy is to initiate the molecule to flow, to move. That is activation energy. A is constant, R is gas constant, and T is the temperature. So whenever in the question paper, if the question comes that what is the effect of temperature on the viscosity, then you should have to mention this equation and kindly remember this point. This is the most important point, that increasing the temperature, we will get the decrease in viscosity of a liquid. But in case of gas, if we increase the temperature, there will be increase in the viscosity. In case of liquid, the viscosity is decreases because the intermolecular interaction or cohesive forces between the molecules are broken down. Okay, so molecules will be scattered here and there. Okay, and in case of gas, when temperature is increases, the molecules get energy and they move fast, and these molecules collide with each other and interact with each other, then it will result in increase in viscosity.